Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today I am going to be doing a slime smoothie from the title, as you can see. And I don't know if I said that right, but yeah, let's just get on with the video. Oh, and just saying, these are slimes that I do not like. So here's the first one. It looks like it's dark, but it's light actually. There's the next one. This one's really soft. I just added cream to it. So here's my blue one. Whoa! Sorry about that. I'll pick that up right now. So this is a very dirty clear slime. That's why I do not like it anymore. And plus, it's not even stretchy. So, just don't look at that because it's like ugly. So, next I have this one. It is a clear slime that is red and has foam beads in it. Here's my next one. It's a really good slime, and sorry, it's a blue one that has real rice in it. So here it is. Then I have this one. It is a white slime with glitter. It's not really stretchy, so I'm gonna put it in there. And next we have a little tiny one. So it's stretchy, it has foam beads, and I'm gonna put it in. Next I have my unicorn poop slime, and I didn't buy it, I made it, and it is a really good slime, but I just found a little wrapper inside. So here it is. It has hearts in it, and it's really good, but I don't quite like it. So let me check if I have more. Oh yeah. So I have this next one. It's a foam bead one. The reason I don't like this one is because it's not even stretchy, and it's really hard and the beads fall out. So yeah. Next slime is a store-bought slime. Even this one was. So it's not really good. I don't like it. It's really watery. So ew. And now we have this one. It's really hard. It's like a bouncy ball. This is a light purple, if you were wondering. I don't know if you can see though. So I have another store-bought slime. It's a light yellow. So it's not that stretchy either. So I'm gonna put it there. And next I have this pink one. And yeah. Neither stretchy, so I'm gonna come back with the rest of the slimes. So I have 3 more slimes, and I don't like them. This one was a complete fail, but I still kept it. So yeah. So I put it in there. Now we're gonna go to the next one. It's one that I made, not that I bought, but I bought the container at Target. So yeah, it's a really hard one too. So we're just gonna put it in there. And last but not least, we're gonna put this one in. This is a really good slime, but since there is no slime that I like in here, I'm just gonna add in a really great slime. It's like a butter slime. So yeah. And I don't know like if it's cheating to add cream, but yeah. So here's the cream, and I'm just gonna add a little bit in. So yeah, I'm gonna start mixing it, and I'm gonna pause the video and come back to it when it's almost done. So I'm kneading parts by parts, and I'm starting to think that it's not gonna work, but this part's working really well. So here it is, the part that I've been mixing for like 10 minutes already. And it has a lot of foam beads, so I'm just gonna set this aside to another spot and keep on mixing this one. So I'm taking out this slime because it's too hard to knead. So yeah. So I've been kneading this one, and it's a really pretty color. So yeah, I'm gonna move this one aside too. And sorry if this video is really long. So I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion to see if it works. Like, yeah. So I don't know quite yet what is the actual color, because I have these two and they're completely different, and this one that's mixed with all of them. So yeah, just gonna keep on kneading. So I'm gonna leave the slime like it is right now, because it's a really pretty slime. Not that pretty, but it has a lot of beads and stuff, so I'm gonna leave this one in its own. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down there if you haven't already. Turn on my post notification bell to notify you every single time I make a new video. And sorry for not being that like active, but yeah. And comment down below if you want me to do like more challenges. So yeah, bye.